Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the Oculus Quest QuestCraft. So what you're gonna want to do is have this. You're gonna need this mobile VR station. Go to browser and then go to SideQuest. It's okay, you won't have to download, you won't have to go onto the website, you're gonna have to download SideQuest with this app. This app is gonna help you. SideQuest. Okay. So press SideQuest. And you're gonna go, so when you're in SideQuest, go and search it up. Make sure it's this one, SideQuest VR. Okay, there you are. Then go down, press this link. This will open your APK files, so you're gonna really need it. And then you're gonna get.
And that will download the SideQuest APK to your device. Now load up mobile VR station and.
Okay, so you'll download this. Okay, so it's downloading right now. Now go get out. Go press request access. Just make sure you're on Quest standalone. Don't make sure it doesn't say Android. Go to downloads. Make sure you download all of them. These will help you. See app release APK. Make sure APK. Okay. So go into mobile VR. I gotta close it real quick. Press request access. Make sure it has the little logo. It says app APK. Press that. It will download. Loss of data. Now you're gonna go right here. Go to unknown. Make sure it says unknown sources, like that. Let me go back. Download. Release APK. Staging app. Make sure it says staging app. Your phone and personal data are more of her. Just press continue. And press install if you want to install the app, SideQuest. Okay, now the app is installed. Close it. Unknown sources. I have 2 unknown sources. Grill Tag Revived. I'll teach you how to download that game. If you want SideQuest, go to SDQ link. Make sure you have a SideQuest. Will require a SideQuest account. So you can buy it, so you can get the game. $438,280 SideQuest. Okay. Have that. Make sure you remember this. This will help you connect to your SideQuest account. Yeah. You're gonna sign with your SideQuest. It's gonna be a long QR code. I really I don't know. I forget things easily. .st/SDQ .st/link. Connect your games to SideQuest. So then you're gonna go into where your code is. 435581. Okay. So you're gonna say link now. Okay. Back to the allow permissions. So now you're gonna go to Quest 3, QuestCraft. Accept all. Go to where it'll say where it is. Let me check if I sign up. So sign up to SideQuest to get updates for your favorite apps. You can sideload apps from anywhere. Thank you. So you're on your library. So these are my games and app. A gorilla tag. So this is actually the original game. So if you want to play the original version of gorilla tag, you can get this. It will help you very. Let's go to. Okay, so it'll make you sign in. Gorilla tag purchased. I don't know why I thought that was real. My mistake. Go to my account. There is my account. I'm gonna check my apps real quick. So I'll show you that you have this game. Experiences. And I don't know. Maybe you can go into the store. See, you try to buy it on Apple, and it will not be on anywhere where you try to buy it. You're under games and apps. It is QuestCraft. Make sure you go back to where search up. Go there. Search QuestCraft. It's downloading. So there it's downloading. Do not change any time this. Installing APK file, okay. Okay, so go to install. Wait, allow from the source. Now settle again. It is really annoying. Sorry, this tutorial isn't really that in depth. I haven't been ready. Okay, so there it is. Do you want to install? Make sure you have it. Okay. So yeah, you can do this on Quest 3. It's only on Quest 2. So sorry to install successfully. Okay, now you're gonna get out. Go to your unknown sources, and it will show QuestCraft. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. If it does not work for you, I'll make a more in-depth tutorial on how to do it. Okay? I'll see you guys soon. Bye.